What is going on YouTube, and welcome to the video of Packy Kicks. This is Seabeer, and today for you guys I have a sneaker unboxing video, as I have picked up two pairs of sneakers for you guys, and these pair of shoes came out this past Saturday. And from just me telling you that, you guys might know what this shoe is. And I spent hours trying to cook up two pairs of these sneakers on the computer this past Saturday, and luckily I was able to get two pairs of these. And before we get into the unboxing, please make sure to like this video as well as subscribe to my channel so you guys receive updates on when I do post more videos, whether it's sneaker content, Supreme, clothing, etc. And with that being said, let's get right into the unboxing. So getting into the first package right here, this package came from DTLR, and let's take a look and see what is inside of here. So opening this box up, they tighten this very tightly. As you guys can see, we have a Nike Air Jordan box, and you guys might already know what the shoe is just based upon the box. As you see here, we have a size 11 tag, so that indicates it's a personal pair right here. And opening the shoes up, we have the Air Jordan Retro 1 Royal Toes. And on DTLR's website, I don't normally cop off their website, but I tried on their website for this release, and I was able to get these very fast within minutes of the release. And normally their website makes you wait in a queue to when you check out, and I got through really fast, and I was able to get a pair of the Royal Toes. And overall, the shoe, just looking at it on first thoughts, the quality is very nice on these. Actually, I thought they'd be a little bit cheaper and not that nice, but they are really good. Very nice in my opinion. As you see here, we have the all black leather all around it, the blue hints of royal, and we have our extra blue laces right here. I will get into more of a detail on the shoe when I do a sneak review on it, but just a quick little overview of it. Again, nothing too crazy, just the Air Jordan Retro 1 Royal Toes. And this is what's in the first package right here. Getting into the second box, this second box came straight from Foot Locker, and opening this box up, you see we have another pair of the Royal Toe Retro 1s. And opening this box, here we go. Here it is, the second pair of Royal Toes. This one actually took me a lot longer to get off Foot Locker's website. I spent like 2 hours sitting on Foot Locker's website trying to pick up this second pair, just because it kept on putting me back out of checkout, and it was just being really slow, as Foot Locker's website is usually slow during these big hype releases. But luckily I was able to get through at like a very last one around like noon on Saturday. And again, this is the second pair of these, and like I said previously, I'm really happy to get this shoe because I only have one other pair of like mainly blue and black Jordan 1s, and that is right here with the original Royals from 2017. And I love this shoe a lot right here too. This is like one of the go-to shoes I wear a lot often, because black and blue is just really easy to match and wear with. But I don't want to wear the Royals so many times so that they get beat up or anything. So it's really nice to have the pair of the Royal Toes so that I can wear these two at the same time. And since this is my second pair of these, I am going to sell this second pair of Royal Toes. If you guys are interested in purchasing this pair, please make sure to follow me on Instagram and hit me up with a DM. And you know, if you guys want to throw me an offer on these, definitely let me know about it. But that's basically it for this little unboxing. I did double up and get two pairs of the Retro 1 Royal Toes. Like I said before, the prices so far on these are not terrible. For a size 11, which is the pair I got for both of them, they are going for $260 about, and which is not terrible because originally they were going for $300, but I definitely expect prices for the sneaker to rise up over time. So if you guys really want to get this pair, I would suggest buying it ASAP before prices do go up. But that's just my 2 cents on it, or thoughts on that shoe and how the resale is going to be on this. Definitely expect a review for these coming up in the next few days. And overall, again, it's a super clean shoe. And like I said before, I do have a second size 11, so if you guys are interested in purchasing that size 11, please hit me up on a DM on Instagram. And I appreciate you guys watching today's video. Again, please like this video, comment, let me know if you guys did pick up a pair of the Royal Toe Retro 1s. And also, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you guys see updates when I do post more videos, whether it's, you know, sneaker content, all that. And I appreciate you guys watching today's video. Peace.
First went back to the man, give a fuck. Just put a wagon in the driveway, you know I did. When I shoot my shot, just took a wild ways going in. Me and